Hey guys, this is your girl Ray Budget. So hey my sunshine budgeters. We're going to be doing savings challenges in this video. So right now I'm participating in 3 savings challenges. Let me know if you prefer the savings challenges in a separate video versus being in my main stuffing video. I'm just trying out something new, so please let me know down below, because I definitely will do a completely separate video from savings for these savings challenges. That way the videos aren't that long. But yeah, we're doing 3 savings challenges. So of course the first savings challenge is going to be the budget with Brent savings challenge. So the fall savings challenge, and we are doing super good keeping up with it. So this week we are going to be stuffing $40, which should give us the balance of $120. So here's our 40. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. So we are on track, and I'm definitely going to try to keep up with this challenge, because the last one we weren't able to finish completing. One, because I've never really done savings challenges in my budgeting journey the first time, so I wasn't really thinking of how to budget that out, but we're getting it this time. This is another savings challenge created by Broke Boy Budgets, and it's called the return challenge. So anything you return and you get the cash back for, you will write it down and then just put that money in here. And it doesn't say when it ends or anything, but it's a freebie. So all you have to do is go to his Instagram and print it out. So yeah, we'll see if I end up returning anything. I'm one of those people who hate returning things because it's an inconvenience to the people and me. So we'll see. So yeah, so that's it for this binder. Right. So of course we're doing our envelope challenges, which guys, I decided to do the 26 week or 26 envelope challenge again, but double. So I actually made this printout, these 2 printouts. So this is the regular 26 envelope printout of table, and then this is the 26 envelope but double. So what I mean by double is each envelope was numbered 1 through 26, and then all I did was double the amount. So instead of $1 it's $2, instead of $2 it's $4, just like that. Just because this one was so easy and I want to do it again, I decided to do it double. This is a free printable. All you have to do is click the link in the description box that says money challenges or savings challenges, I forget, and then click the link and it should be there. It does fit into the A6 envelopes really good, like, no, the way you print it. So it does fit into the A6 envelopes with no problem. So if that's a concern, you don't have to be concerned. But this week we are going to be stuffing $2. So so envelope number 1 is getting $2, and I'm super excited to finish this challenge again, just because it was so easy. But I do have a couple of more challenges, and this isn't one that I want to finish like next month like how I did last time. So we'll see when we finish this one. And I'm gonna write the start date on the back. So start date, it is the September 23rd 2021, and then we'll do end, and we'll see where we end off at. So we'll see when we finish this challenge. So if you want to join the challenge with me, definitely print it out, or add it to your digital files, or whatever way you do it. And yeah, and then lastly we have the 100 envelope challenge, but double. I don't know, it's just something about double challenges that just pique my interest. So this week we're going to be doing 3. So here's number 3, which is actually $6. So $6 right here, which is the last of our money. I just opened it. Okay. So $6. And for this one, I won't be like rushing to stuff this one until like next year, because of course I want to get this done before I end up moving, so I have enough money for furniture. So but right now we're not really like concentrating on that, which I think I'm going to start focusing on like the bigger numbers. That way I won't have to worry about them later on. But yeah, so that's all our challenges. So let's go ahead and color in for the savings challenge. So that's not it, that's not it, that's not it. So here's the 100 envelope savings challenge, and we had to color in $6. Alright, so there we go. That's the rest of our, that's it for that one. So far we have 3 envelopes for the 100 envelope savings challenge. So we are making progress, but again, there's no rush for the savings challenge. I'm not gonna like try to speed through it like this one. But again, let me know if you like the separate video for the savings challenges. This is a quick video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.